have Dr. Puneet Midha, who can join us right now and share on awareness among the patients towards homeopathy. Thank you so much, Doctor, for joining us today and sharing your information with us. What do we do? Fantastic. I'm loving the energy. Thank you so much for joining us.
Well, thank you, ma'am, for inviting me. Good afternoon to all the lovely ladies and gentlemen out here. I'm invited on stage to speak few words about how my journey as a doctor started. Well, to be honest, it started as a child of 4 to 5 years. When I was a kid, I suffered from double pneumonia and had severe cough and fever. When I was cured, I said to my father, I want to become a doctor. And I trust and believe that when you think you want something, तो like they say, सारी कायनात आपको वो चीज़ दिलाने में लग जाती है. I started in a charitable dispensary, and getting meager 1500 rupees were very disheartening. And I cried and promised to myself that one day I will earn 1500 rupees in a day. And then when it happened, I said to myself, one day my consultation fees will be 1500. Well, money was not the desire, but success was. So I guess when you set yourself small targets and dedicate and commit yourself towards your goal and do it with honesty, God always helps you. Inspiration has to be within first. Being homeopath is always tough. It's difficult choosing homeopathy. I won't lie, but I went into homeopathy because I did not get admission into MBBS. But like they say, वही होता है जो मंजूर खुदा होता है. It was a blessing in disguise, and today I am standing in front of all of you on this platform. When I started practice 21 years back, people had lesser faith in homeopathy. People wanted quicker results, as there's a myth about homeopathy that it works slower. But friends, homeopathy is as fast treatment as it could be or as one would want it to be. It depends on your doctor, how well he understands you and your disease. Homeopathy is not slow. It's only slow in diseases which has no cure in allopathy. It is as fast as you would want it to be in acute conditions like fevers, pains, and infections. And homeopathy is slow is a totally wrong myth. We at Dr. Puneet Midha's Multi-Speciality Homeopathic Center try to fully understand the patient and give minimal medication and set higher goals. My aim is, and I have always been, to achieve better results for myself and do something different. We undertake only those cases which have chance of cure and not just try to mince money. As an entrepreneur, my aim is to give free consultations and medication to needy and poor, and we do it on every weekends and Saturdays, where we do not charge from poor. And as an Indian and a duty towards our army personals, we give them free consultation and 50% discount in our clinic and their families. As a token of our duty for whatever they do for all of us on borders, saving our life and country. Once Thomas Edison said, future doctor will give no or less medicine. So in our clinic, we are trying to give minimum or lesser medicine or even in few patients, no medicine at all. Can you believe a doctor does not give any medicine? And who won't love that? Because we must give something back to the society. As disease is the outcome of our faulty lifestyle, some socio-economic errors and psychological disturbances, we try to change that, and with blessings of God and forefathers, hard work of my staff and dedication, we are fast becoming a distinguished center where we do not claim to put back scrambled eggs into the shell and try to cure patients permanently, thus saving their life and money. We try to provide personalized cure for our patients. Our mission is not to start patients' treatment, but to educate them as to how to stop their treatment after bringing few easy changes in their lifestyle which were responsible for disease and sickness. My aim is to see disease-free and medicine-free society, so educating them is more important. Well, homeopathic doctors are doing their part, but would like to request government as well. Government must emphasize and give equal importance as they give to other pathies, like providing jobs and opening government hospitals and research centers. Bringing homeopathy at par with other pathies will naturally encourage my colleagues because not all have background to start private practice, financially I mean. But on the other hand, I will also suggest them to start private practice and have belief in themselves. Don't work for meager salaries. Don't degrade yourselves as I did myself. Only that person who has done something wrong can advise you better, like I am doing today. Upgrade yourself, friends. Upgrade your standards. You have to value yourself, and no one else will do it for you. Our sir once said to me, "Jahan gud hoga, makhiyan apne aap aayengi." So if you have talent, people will come to you. Once I didn't sleep whole night because I was not able to cure a kid of 5 years for his fever. And trust me, even today, I am restless when a patient comes to me and says he is not improving. My family, my kids know that, and that kind of dedication and commitment is necessary for whatever you do in your life. Not taking much of your time, dear friends, I would just say, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा खुद बंदे से पूछे, बोल तेरी रज़ा क्या है. So friends, on this note, I would take a leave from all of you, and thanks for listening me, and have a nice time and wonderful evening here in Mumbai. Thank you.
The next category, Healthcare Excellence Homeopathy of the Year 2019 in Punjab, and the award goes to Dr. Puneet Midha. Can we please welcome Dr. Puneet on stage? Dr. Puneet believes that love and care affects our health. Having reputation of treating incurable diseases, he started a new and unique medicine-free therapy in which he doesn't give medicine and only lifestyle changes advice, which is becoming very popular amongst his patients. Congratulations to you, sir.